What's up? Welcome to Let's Get Better at Chess. I'm going to try to do this really quietly because my girlfriend's asleep, so let's see if this video is usable. Alright, I got another Sicilian. Got a C3 Sicilian. D5. Keeping white from getting too big a center. I usually do pretty well in this variation. Yeah. Let's bring the knight out. Queen here, I kind of forgot what to do about. But we'll see if he plays that. Okay, he doesn't play that. Could also play e6 and knight here, but my knight wants to get here anyway. Alright, I don't think we need to castle right away. On second thought, let's do it. If queen here, then I can always put knight here. Okay, there's that move I was a little worried about. Hard to calculate everything. I think we can afford to give up this pawn. I don't think we're gonna it's gonna be stay lost. Okay. Rocking him back on his heels. This queen is misplaced. Let's bust open the center. He's not castled. Oh, idiot. Fucking idiot. Wow. Oh, excuse my language. Whew, that was terrible. Come on, man. You don't see it? This is giving away everything I've ever hoped and dreamed of. It's all lost. God, F6 is fucking abysmal. I'm sorry about the swearing. I'm too angry. Yeah, trade queens. Why not? Why not? Why not? Can I salvage this? Probably. It's hopeless. Probably it's hopeless. Okay, well, we definitely don't want to trade queens. Oh, and he's threatening the rook in the corner, so... yeah. Okay. Pre-move this. What are we down? 3 pawns? 3 pawns. Oh, disgusting. Okay, I don't think that's a good move. I don't think it's good. Just gotta play fast, and there may be hope. There may be hope. Frick. Ugh. Gotta win this. Okay, so this was bad. Alright, we're gonna analyze. I don't think I'm gonna put this one up. Okay, actually, black is fine. Let's see what happens if he takes. Ah, we remove this bishop. I see. Here? Oh, nice. Alright, so similarly that could have happened in the game. Yeah, this was bad. Okay, cool. We learned something. So this one went totally as in the game. Yeah. Super weak dark squares. It's funny because this bishop looks terrible. But removing it and putting the F pawn here. Yeah, very instructive, very instructive. Well, instead, well, yeah, obviously I'm still fine here. If I don't give up this pawn. I was thinking maybe I could even trade queens even though my pawn down on the computer hates this. Yeah, my rook active on this file is nothing. So that's why I didn't play that, but of course f6 is much worse. What's so great about this? Oh. Okay. Huh. Anyway. I'm gonna keep this one brief, but the main thing was absolutely eliminate this guy, and then black is significantly better. Cool, thanks for watching.